Hi guys, this is Peter Silvers Tech. So we just upgraded the image converter to PDF. So this is how it goes. So let's get started. So this is the file. So you can see. Let's just make use of something new. Let's copy this particular file. Copy. I just call it something simple. Testing. So wait, I think it's this. Okay, I just name it and then come to the side, change this to testing. So let's check it out. You can see it here. We have changed it. Or let's change the output to out.pdf so that we can have something different this time. So we have out.pdf. So yeah, we're gonna have our out.pdf. So you can open it and it has converted your JPEG into PDF. You can see it has converted JPEG to PDF. Let's try again. Let's take another picture, something different entirely. Okay, I think yeah, that make it more clear. Let's use this. No, let's just use this one. So copy. Div.ty. Let's just use that name. So got this one, dty output 2. Now let's try again. You can see successfully loaded dty.jpg, successfully save output 2 dtf. So if you check it out, you're going to see output 2 here. So let's check it out. You can see we have our JPEG now, our PDF now. It's as simple as that. So thank you, see you next time.